Tired of that old, drab furniture? Get ready to witness transformations that will leave you speechless. We're diving into the world of incredible furniture makeovers that breathe new life into old pieces. From drab to fab, these transformations prove that anything is possible with a little creativity. Imagine turning your outdated furniture into stunning centerpieces that spark joy. Let's unlock the secrets to transforming your living space, one piece of furniture at a time. Get ready to be inspired and grab your paintbrushes. Adventure awaits. First up, witness an old bookshelf get a modern makeover with a pop of vibrant color. See how strategic painting and updated hardware can completely transform its look. Next, prepare to be amazed as a dull coffee table gets a stunning new lease on life. A fresh coat of stain and some stylish new legs turn it into a modern masterpiece. Watch how a simple change in fabric transforms an old chair into a cozy reading nook. These simple changes create a space you'll never want to leave. Ready to try your own furniture flip? It's easier than you think. First, clean your piece thoroughly to remove dirt and grime. Next, lightly sand the surface to create a smooth canvas for your paint or stain. Choose your favorite paint color and apply thin, even coats for the best results. Don't forget to seal your work with a clear coat for added protection and shine. With these simple steps, you'll be amazed at what you can achieve. Ready to transform your home? What are you waiting for? Grab that old chair, table, or dresser and let your creativity run wild. Don't be afraid to experiment with colors, textures, and hardware. Transforming furniture is a fantastic way to express your personal style and create a home you love. So, what are you waiting for? Start your next furniture makeover project today. Share your amazing creations with us. We can't wait to see them.